Hi guys, this is Shivardi. In this session, I'm going to explain what is the purpose of use strict in JavaScript language. Whenever you place use strict at the beginning of the function or a beginning of the script file, then the JavaScript is going to behave differently by enforcing stricter set of rules and preventing certain errors. Let's go ahead and understand how this use strict will help to handle the code better to provide a better stability of the JavaScript code. Now let's go ahead and run this particular program and see what happens. It's basically saying that there are duplicate parameters name not allowed. Now it is a general practice whenever you are defining a function, ideally the parameters should be different. So that's the reason whenever you activate this use strict mode, then this type of validation is going to perform. So when I am going to change this to parameters AB and AB, A plus B, then this error will go off. Okay. Now it reported another error, X is not defined. So in the strict mode, you have to define or declare the variable before you are going to use it. Here X I didn't declare, so that's the reason it's basically complaining about we have to declare or define this particular variable. Now if I go ahead and rename this, like if I going to define this particular variable X, then this error will remove. After that, there is another error it is coming, cannot assign to a read-only property. Now if you see here, where object.define properties object props, we have some value here. Here what we have specified writable false, but what we are trying to do here, object is propped and we are basically updating that particular property to some other value. As we said, this is read-only field, so update should not happen. That's the reason it's basically throwing that exception saying cannot assign to read-only property. And another one is there is some concept called double equals versus triple equals. In the case of double equal, if whenever you are going to compare, now let's say take this example, whereby I have defined with 20 in the string format, and now I am comparing if y equal to 20. So when you use this double equal, it automatically do the type conversion and then compare the value. So in this case, what happens is value is going to be 20. After doing this type conversion, it basically trying to go ahead and compare. That's the reason it should basically print on the console equal. If you see here, it is equal. But if you are going to change this to triple equals, then it will be false, because whenever you use this triple equal operator, without this type cohesion, it try to compare this particular value. As this is the string format and it is a number, these two will not match. Now if you go and refresh this particular page, you will see not equal. Okay, so this is the another important questions. What is the difference between the double equals and triple equals? Okay, so now here what we are doing is we are basically updating the property which we define it as a read only. That's the reason it is basically specifying the error. So like this, we have few of the cases. It will strictly validate, and if you don't basically follow those particular strict guidelines, then in the compile time itself you are going to see these errors, which will help the developer to go ahead and fix them as part of the development phase itself, instead of getting these issues at the later point of time, maybe in the production or any higher environments. Okay, so by using the strict keyword using the use strict, you are going to enable the strict mode within the function, JavaScript function, or you can use at the complete JavaScript file level itself. Hope this concept is clear. Thanks for watching.